So I had to pay for the uptown side.
Dash is cracked like all, most of them I should say, not all. Gauges don't really work all the time, as you can see. Blower works, windows don't though. Oh, that one does. I'm just working on fixing it up, getting it back on the road. Maybe we'll be driving it some this summer.